India's computer-based competitive exams are in crisis. Server crashes, paper leaks, delayed results. Every year, lakhs of aspirants lose their hopes and hard work to a broken system. The Staff Selection Commission's exams, meant to reward merit, have instead become symbols of frustration and mistrust. Outsourced agencies, limited digital question sets, and repeated failures have left millions questioning, is the system really fair? That's where we steps in, a revolutionary, indigenous examination platform built to restore trust, eliminate digital paper leaks, and safeguard the dreams of millions. In the current SSC model, a fixed number of digital question sets are created in advance and shared across centers. These sets, stored on external servers, are vulnerable to leaks and unauthorized access. Just one compromised set, and an entire exam collapses. Technical glitches make it worse: server crashes, slot-based performance differences, unclear normalization, and months-long delays in result declaration. These failures don't just reflect inefficiency, they represent a loss of national trust. What India's examination system needs isn't stronger supervision, it needs a new digital architecture. We introduces a complete paradigm shift in CBT examinations. No single paper or predefined set ever exists. Every candidate receives a unique paper, generated securely and instantly the moment they log in. Questions and even answer options are randomized within milliseconds using encrypted algorithms. Even if one student's paper leaks, it's completely useless because no other student will ever receive that same set again. With over 500 questions per subject, the number of possible combinations runs into undecillions, more than the atoms in the observable universe. This isn't security through secrecy, it's security through mathematics. How it works? 1. Massive secure question bank. Experts upload hundreds of verified questions per subject tagged by topic and difficulty. 2. Smart blueprinting. The system ensures uniform difficulty. For example, every candidate gets 15 easy, 30 moderate, and 15 difficult questions, but all uniquely selected. 3. Real-time generation. When a candidate logs in, the system instantly builds a unique, encrypted paper for them, no human intervention possible. 4. Secure infrastructure. Load-balanced servers, backup redundancy, and real-time monitoring prevent crashes or downtime. 5. Instant evaluation. Every response is auto-recorded and scored, enabling results within hours. 6. Full transparency. Every action, question, response, timestamp is logged and auditable. 7. Biometric login ensures verified access, preventing impersonation and proxy attempts. Through our software, the SSC retains complete control over question design, evaluation parameters, and data security, all under one transparent ecosystem. We solved paper leaks, normalization issues, result delays, cheating, and full accountability ensure. Every exam attempt is digitally traceable and tamper-proof. For 2 crore aspirants every year, this means hope restored. For the SSC, it means credibility regained. For India, it means a new era of fair examinations. Our vision isn't just another CBT software, it's a movement to reclaim India's examination integrity. Let's not wait for the next digital leak or server failure to shake our confidence again. Let's build a system where every student competes on equal ground, where technology guarantees fairness, not fear.